Hello, today we're gonna make a pen cushion. We need a paper tape, one pen, two marker, a ruler, and stuffing. Let's go draw the pencil. Use our ruler and our pen. We will draw 2 centimeter pencil, and we don't need to separate them because we will make them together. The pencil will be 10 centimeter. Not all, but the other, this part, I will tell you later. And now for the lining inside, we'll draw 0.5 centimeter. After we will repeat, we will do the little lines in. Now let's go. Draw like this one. I will bring it at 1 centimeter. I will bring it at 1 centimeter point 5. And we will bring 2. Now let's go draw the eraser on the top. That will be 1 centimeter longer. Now let's go draw. Now let's go color the pencil. Now we need a scissor to cut it. Put the scissor back. Now with the tape, glue this part. Now the rest. And here we cut it. Now we need a bit more tape. Put on the side the rest part. Now we will put stuffing in it. And with that, our pen's back, it will have this. And if you have still rolled, so we will unroll it and do it at the shape of the pencil. Now we will put in, and now we'll let the tape glue the upper part. And here we go. We need a squishy pencil. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to learn more origami, you can subscribe my channel and see what's new in my channel.